Hi everyone, in this video you will see one of my fastest and easiest hair masks you can make for your natural hair. If you are interested in this, just keep watching. For this hair mask, I will be needing half cup of fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed is a rich source of iron and protein, which are essential nutrients for our hair. It treats scalp issues such as dandruff and reduce hair loss. I will pour water into it, a water that will just cover it a little bit, then heat it up in a microwave so that it will be soft for easy blending. After that, I will measure out half cup of rice from my leftover rice which I kept in the fridge and mix it together with the fenugreek seed and heat it up again. Once I am done, I will pour it into the blender and blend it to smooth, after which I will use my strainer to strain out the paste and throw away the residue. So here I now have a beautiful and nice paste. Now I will go ahead and add some oil to it. This very oil contains carrot oil, castor oil and almond oil, and I will also add my avocado oil to it, after which I will combine it together. Is ready for use. This hair mask works well on our natural hair. The two ingredients are very powerful. Both ingredients promote hair growth and length retention. So if you care for longer hair, I would advise you add this to your hair routine. If you're observant, you will notice I always add any of these ingredients in all the DIY hair masks I'm making in this channel. It's either I add rice or fenugreek seed in any of the DIY I am making, because it works well on my hair. I love it so much and my hair love it as well. It softens my hair and most especially it pop out my tiny coils. That is what make it more, in fact, more special for me, because I love seeing my tiny coils whenever it pops out. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and join this growing channel. Once I am done, I will cover it with my plastic hair cap and leave it as long as I want. But if you are in a haste, you can leave it for 10 to 15 minutes before washing it out. So I'll be ending it here. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe before clicking out, and also like and share as well. See you in my next one. Bye bye.